Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Practice Us. I am so thrilled you're here today to join us on an exciting journey to improve your English speaking skills. Are you ready to make some real progress, even if you are just at a beginner level?
Hi there. I really hope so. I've been trying to learn English for a long time, but I feel stuck. My vocabulary is small. Grammar confuses me. When I actually try to speak, my mind just goes blank. It's very frustrating.
I understand that feeling completely. Many English learners face this, but don't worry, we are here to help. Today, we'll try a new, active way to learn. It focuses on natural conversation. No pressure, just practice. We'll show you how to speak English smoothly. You'll gain confidence. This will transform your everyday talks. You'll boost your speaking skills today.
A new way sounds good. I'll try anything to fix this. What exactly will we do?
Great question. We will start with daily conversations. Imagine we're just chatting, like friends meeting up. We'll use simple, real-life situations. We'll practice speaking through them. The goal is to build your confidence, one sentence at a time, one word at a time. Let's start with something easy. How about ordering food at a cafe?
Okay, ordering food. I often find that hard.
Perfect. I'll be the server, you be the customer. Just relax, try your best. Here we go. Good morning. Welcome to our cafe. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I would like a coffee, please.
Excellent start. Any special coffee or just a regular one?
Just a regular coffee. Black. Thank you.
You're doing well. Anything to eat with that? A pastry or a sandwich?
Yes, I'll have a chocolate cookie.
All right. One regular black coffee and one chocolate cookie. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is that?
That will be $5.50, please. See? You just had a full conversation. How did that feel?
It felt surprisingly good. I said everything I wanted. I didn't get lost. This English practice feels more comfortable.
That's fantastic. That's the power of daily conversations. Now let's try more. We'll add new vocabulary, then we'll practice the same order. For example, instead of regular coffee, say standard coffee or plain coffee. For chocolate cookie, say chocolate chip cookie.
Standard coffee, chocolate chip cookie. I understand. I'm ready.
Wonderful. This time, imagine you're in a hurry. Good morning. Can I help you quickly?
Good morning. I need a standard coffee, please, and a chocolate chip cookie. To go.
Very good. You even added to go. That's real progress. See how fast you learn new phrases and use them correctly? This repetition is key. It builds English fluency. It's like training your mind and mouth.
It's working. I usually hate English lessons, but English Easy Practice is fun. It feels like a life-changing story for me.
That's the goal. Learning should be fun, especially for important skills, like speaking English. Now, let's try a new situation. Asking for directions. This helps with understanding and giving instructions. It's a great speaking skill.
Asking for directions is hard. Prepositions and long sentences confuse me.
Don't worry, we'll make it simple. I'll ask for directions first, you guide me. Use short, clear sentences. Excuse me, how can I get to the nearest park?
Yes. Go straight ahead, then turn right at the lights. The park is on your left.
Excellent, very clear. You used straight ahead, turn right, and on your left perfectly. Now your turn. Ask me for directions to the library.
Excuse me, how can I get to the library?
Of course. Walk down this street for 2 blocks. You'll see a large building on your right. That's the library.
2 blocks, large building, on my right. Thank you. This is very helpful. I feel more confident now. This moral story shows practice is important.
That's great. The more you use daily conversations, the more natural phrases become. Every time you try, you improve. Don't fear mistakes. They are steps to English fluency. This active learning gives you confidence. You learn valuable life lessons. You gain wisdom.
I see how repetition helps. It's not just memorizing, it's using the language. This feels like a breakthrough for me.
It is a breakthrough. We are proud of you. English Practice Us helps everyone. You can become a confident English speaker. Just use the right tools, keep trying, have a positive mind. We have more English story lessons and wisdom tales. Join us often. The more you repeat, the better you speak. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll be.
I will. I'm excited to continue. Thank you for this practice. I feel like I'm moving past the beginner level.
You are. Keep believing in yourself. Keep practicing. Don't forget your ability to change your English skills. We will guide you. Happy learning. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.